In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam profile public, private or friends only. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each option means, so you can control who sees your profile with confidence. Start by signing into Steam, either through the desktop client or the website. The steps are the same in both. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your username there, and from the menu that opens, choose View My Profile. This takes you to your profile page, where you can see how your page currently appears to others. On the right side of your profile, find and click Edit Profile. This is your main hub for customizing how your profile looks and what information it shares. On the left-hand menu that appears, click Privacy Settings. This section controls who can see different parts of your Steam presence. At the top of Privacy Settings, locate the My Profile drop-down. This is where you choose the overall visibility for your profile. You'll see three options: Public, Friends Only, and Private. Public makes your profile visible to everyone on Steam and, in many cases, viewable from the web. Choose this if you want maximum discoverability, like when you're showcasing your game library, achievements, or artwork to the broader community. Friends Only limits your profile so only people you've added as friends can view it. This is a great balance if you enjoy sharing with your circle but prefer not to broadcast your activity to strangers. Private locks your profile down so only you can see it. Pick this if you want complete privacy and don't want others to view your details at all. As soon as you select one of these options from the drop-down, the change applies instantly. There's no separate save button to hunt for. Your choice affects your profile, your friends list, and other elements that tie into profile visibility, unless you've customized those areas separately within the same settings. If you return to view My Profile after making the change, you'll notice the display updates right away to reflect your selection. That's all it. Thanks for watching.